Hello guys, let's take a look at a 11 in 1 tool set. You get a corkscrew, quite flimsy. This tool costs only 100 rupees on eBay. So something similar from Victorinox would cost you around 1000 rupees. So don't expect high quality. You also get a screwdriver with a star screw, and you get a saw. All the tools are quite thin and flimsy, but at this price I guess you can't complain much. You also get a bottle opener, but some of the tools are quite hard to get. As you can see, you get two saws and a pocket knife. Okay, this is the another saw I was talking about. You also get a, let's see what I can get out. Okay, you also get a can opener, and I think this is a cap opener, not can opener. You also get a scissors. It's very thin, but the funny thing is it works for small jobs, like as you can see, cutting this paper. See, it works quite fine. I guess at 100 rupees you can't expect much high quality. You also get a pocket knife. It also is very flimsy, but could come quite handy when you have to cut some fruit or something like that. But while closing, you have to be careful to make sure that they go into their perfect slots. As you can see, some of them don't go, so you have to bend them a bit. And but kind of amazing that you can buy this for 100 rupees. Even if you don't use all the tools, even if one or two of them work, it should be more than worth the price, I guess. But a bit too flimsy. Slightly better builder might have helped it a lot.